Okay guys, good morning. This is going to be Monday, July 1st, and this is going to be day one of the egg fast. So this is kind of an experiment, and I wanted to give you guys some real life results. So this is, like I said, day one for me. I haven't done anything. Ignore the clean clothes that I got to put away. But this is what we are looking like coming in. This is where a majority of my weight sits, just because, you know, I had kids and stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take measurements, and I'm going to put the measurements on the screen. But I wanted to really show you guys a before picture so you guys can see legit results. I don't have a scale, and I do that on purpose. So I'm not going to be able to give you an actual pound loss. I'm going to go to my mom's later on this week, so maybe I could check hers out. But yeah, so this is what we're looking like. I'm going to put my measurements, and I'll check in again tomorrow morning so we can kind of get a look. But I have very small definition in my sides. I do have, like, this is just, I hate to show you guys this, but this is just like excess skin. You know what I mean? I'm going to take care of that one day. But nonetheless, all right, so this is day one. I will see you guys. Okay, guys, so here is going to be, this is now day three, a complete finish of the egg fast. So, yeah. You can see, I definitely could tell that, like, my belly is a lot flatter. You can really see, like, look at that. Like, my waist is looking a lot smaller. Here's a big kicker, though, that really, I think, is not showing the true. Like, down here is bloated. I got my period, like, yesterday. So it came a little early, and that kind of messed up the whole results. But I definitely could tell for sure, like, I did my measurements, and I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm going to tell you the before and after, and I did lose some pounds too, so we're going to get into all that. But definitely here is day three on the egg fast. Hey guys, good morning. I know I look crazy. It's like, I don't know, I think about 6 o'clock in the morning. Today is actually 4th of July, so happy 4th of July. Freedom is a blessing, and I'm truly blessed. But anyways, getting into this, this is the final day. So this is day 4. The keto egg fast ended yesterday. So I did the egg fast Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. When I started, I did take my measurements. So on Monday morning, I did, you know, take the little clip, so you guys will see that, and then the clip from this morning. On Monday, my waist was 33.5 inches, and my hips were 37.5. As of this morning, my waist is 33 inches, my hips are 35. So that is 3 inches lost in 3 days. That's pretty remarkable, considering I wasn't like starving or anything. Also, I went to my mom's on Sunday, and like I said, my mom has a scale, so I jumped on it, and I had gained some weight. I didn't know that. Because I don't weigh myself, but when I jumped on the scale at my mom's house, I was 100, and I think this is 185.6. So I was usually averaging about 175. So according to that scale, in the month of June, I gained 10 pounds, which I'm not surprised, because I said I was indulging quite a bit, and then I would get better, and then I would indulge again, and it was a slippery slope that month. So it was 185.6. I went ahead and jumped on the scale this morning. I actually just borrowed my mama's, and it said that I was 178.3. So that's what, 5, it's 7 pounds. That's almost 8 pounds. Damn. That's, yeah. So 8 pounds in 3 days. This is also including the fact that I got my period yesterday. My period came like 2 days early, so that messed me all up. And yeah, so that's 8 pounds, 3 inches in 3 days. I mean, the proof's in the pudding. I was surprised. I've heard about these fasts and stuff like that, and I was like, yeah, okay. But it was legit. And so getting into it, how did it go? Eating, I didn't think was too bad. Because like I said, you could be really creative with eggs, and there's tons of recipes to do for the egg fast. So I tried to do as many as I could. I did pancakes, I did egg salad, I did different types of omelets. You guys seen a full day of eating. I kept it interesting. I drank a lot of water. I took my supplements. I was drinking those Gatorade Zeros just to make sure I was getting my electrolytes. What else did I do? Yeah, I really think that was it. Okay, yeah, also I did not eat after like 5 o'clock. I stopped eating after 5 o'clock. And I usually would have my breakfast between 8 and 9. I still had my coffee, still had my half and half. That was it. It's just real simple. Guys, I felt phenomenal, okay? Phenomenal. I felt energized. I felt physically really good. I felt mentally clear, like all the things, like I was feeling them. I was like ready to take on the world. And it definitely helped me put in perspective, like my eating, like how incredibly lazy my eating has gotten, and how I'm eating a lot of those like lazy carb meals that I really need to like take out, like a lot of those wraps, or a lot of the like jellos with the sugar alcohols in them. And you know, even though, I mean, you could have some, but I was eating them a lot more frequently than I think I should. And yeah, so I definitely think I need to like bring it on home and just kind of clean up around the edges, clean up the mess, sort it out a little bit. So I definitely will be doing that. Not saying I'm going strict keto or clean keto. It's still going to be like lazy dirty, but it's going to be a cleaner version of that. It's going to be a Danielle version, because that's how I do it. But I will say this, and this might be TMI, I did have like diarrhea. Yes. I don't know if it was because of the like higher fats, because you know, if you have a lot of fats, it kind of goes through it, and I was like kind of cleaning it out. It could have been because of my period, but nonetheless, it went down. But I didn't have like stomach pains, or I didn't feel like I was gonna, people were like, oh my God, if I eat eggs that much, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Not at all. I would say that if you're going to do this diet or this fast, I would go ahead and recommend like fattier cuts of cheese. On the first day, I did an omelet with feta cheese, and I was starving. I got a headache. Like, I felt like shit. So I stopped using feta cheese because it just wasn't fatty enough, and it wasn't going to keep me full. So I either stuck with like Chihuahua cheese, cream cheese, stuff like that. I did have artificial sweeteners. Everything was fine, but they were like the Walden Farms syrup, or I used monk fruit, which, you know, is pretty good on the artificial sweetener side. It isn't like, you know, I forget, Sweet and Low or something like that. But yeah, I think that's it. You have to drink lots of water, guys. Lots and lots of water. I did not work out. I want to say that. I did not work out. Yeah, I just didn't know how I was going to feel. I was kind of nervous if I worked out. Was I going to get really hungry? Was the food not going to be enough and I was going to get nauseous? Because I do lift weights and cardio at the gym, so I'm like, I don't know. So I did go ahead and like opt out of the gym for the 3 days, but I'm actually gonna get ready and head over there right now. Like I said, it's early in the morning, so I kind of want to get my day started. But yeah, I would actually recommend this. If this is, I think if you were just starting into keto, or maybe was having a plateau, I definitely see why people suggest this. Or maybe like, you know what, it's, you haven't been seeing your results, you feel like you're just, keto isn't the thing for you, do an egg fast and just get back to the basics and reset your body. So today we are having a barbecue. I am kind of nervous about what I'm gonna eat, but I'm definitely, like I said, I know what to stay away from at this point. You know what I mean? I'm definitely gonna stay away from the wraps and stuff like that. So yeah. Also, I'm thinking, someone told me to try the beef and butter fast. We might do that experiment next. I don't know. What do you guys think? Have you guys tried that one? Now that you guys have kind of seen this, does it kind of make you want to give it a try? I don't know. Let me know. But look, the results are there. I definitely feel like my belly would have been a lot smaller if I did not get my period, because I am a little bloated. But guys, I feel phenomenal. And the scale, I mean, even though it's a petty little asshole and I don't support it and it's going back, you know, there was some pounds lost, or quite a bit, you know, for 3 days. That was impressive. Mostly probably all water weight, so it wasn't like I lost 8 pounds of fat or something like that. It was probably all water weight, and you know, that's just the way it is. But it's still impressive nonetheless, and it's still definitely, even if I only lost 1 pound, just the momentum and the feeling and the urge, just like, okay, like I got this, I feel great mentally, physically. You know, I feel like I'm ready to just I'm so inspired to just keep going and be the best me and really just kick July in the ass and know that I got this, you know. And I definitely feel like this egg fast at the first of the month was such a great idea because it really helped me, it really helped me just get my mind right and get ready for this, you know. Like, I'm just so excited to just kill it and smash all these goals. So let me know. Let me know. How'd you like my experiment? Am I like the best scientist ever or not? But alright guys, I love you so much. Have a great holiday. And we'll see this video on Friday. I hope you guys had a great holiday. And thank you guys for being here, because you know what? If you're new here, we friends here. We real friends. And we just hang out and we have a good time. And we support each other. And we're the best bunch of people on the internet. What can I say? But alright guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy, friends.